There's a fire! There's a fire! Someone call 911.
There's Fox.
I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. But since I came here, I felt the joy of
You are very white. You are very white. You're not like your dad.
Paisley Pearl. Good morning. How are you? Hi, baby doll. 1 week old already. I cannot believe it. Oh no! Oh no! Good morning. Hi. How are you doing? Yeah. Did you have a good night? Did you have a good night's sleep? Hmm?
Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, mama.
Hey.
She's hot psycho, so if she's right though. At night she's screaming, mama, my mind. She'll make you curse. She a blessing. She'll rip your shirt. In a second, coming back. Like a second.
Are you on timeout? You put yourself on timeout? Wow.
Let her lead you on. You'll be saying no, no, then saying yes, 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 cause you're messing with your head.
What are you doing?
Paisley, show Dada.
What did you do, young lady? Okay, looks like she took her diaper off.
Body.
Paisley, care to explain? Come on, Paisley. Paisley. What did you do? Are you serious right now? No, you got into the bird seed, Paisley? Yes, those illuminated sun rays is not After Effects. It's Jenny burning up the kitchen. Still.
Well, this is kind of the sticky mess that we ran into last time.
We're making unicorn cookies.
Oh, okay, all right.
Unicorn chocolate chips, then the blue man. Yeah!
It's your jam. Paige, it's your jam.
1 hour later.
You're smarter than this.
Hey, how'd those cookies turn out?
It's not, we're doing a fun experience. Oh, Mr. Ball.
Now it's science time.
Science time, all right.
This, and I'm like,
Yeah!
Oh, close.
Paisley's in there trying everything.
Whoa.
hi.
Try tissue.
Oh man, I love it. That's good stuff. That is good stuff.
The next day.
Hello guys, welcome to Paisley's third birthday party. There is all this wonderful food sponsored by Bestway. Mr. and Mrs. Bestway. Happy birthday!
Get your hands out here.
All right, let's eat.
What, you want some fruit?
Well, thank goodness the good Lord did provide one of his activity centers down the road. Thank you, Grace Fellowship of Lemersville. Your building did not disappoint. Happy birthday! full-size kitchen, actually a commercial-sized kitchen, all the tables and chairs anyone could need, an extra bounce house, 2 basketball hoops. Thank you. Thank you guys. And she loved every second of it. And on top of that, the other 2 want their birthday parties there. So thank you, folks.
This is Grant. I'm Ty. Happy birthday, Paisley.
Ty, you have no idea whose birthday it is, do you?
I do.
Go, Sully.
Hello, I'm Sawyer from Pennsylvania. Happy birthday, Paisley. My name's Clark. Happy birthday, Paisley.
All right.
Happy birthday, Paisley. I love you. You're the greatest sister. Bye, I love you.
No expectations, just beautiful faces and nowhere to go. Me, oh my, it's one hell of a life. It's one.
You see Dad? Look in here. Look in here. You see Dad? No, look in here. See Dad on the TV? Hi, Solly. Hi, Bubba. You see Dad? Hey, come say hi. Say hi. It's my birthday.
Hi, my birthday.
That's right.
Hi, I'm Elsie, and this is my Paisley. And she loves me so much.
Feet in the sand, tangled with your heart of a friend.
Oh, Sully, no.
No expectations, just beautiful faces.
Happy birthday, dear Paisley. Happy birthday to you. Go, Paisley. Go, babe.
She's 3. Unbelievable.
I like this one.
How are you, Daniel? How are you doing? Good, Dad.